Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then go to about phone. After that scroll down a bit and then go to software information. And here you can see build number option. Now to enable developer options you have to tap 7 times on build number. Now just do it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then you have to type your current pin or password, then tap on continue and it's done. Now just go back and you can see developer options has been enabled successfully, and from here you can customize any settings as you want. Now if you want to disable developer options, just open up your settings app and then scroll down again, then go to developer options. Now just tap here to disable developer options and it's done. Now just go back and that's it. You can see your developer options has been disabled successfully. And that is how you can enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.